purpose to identify the script. We are still under the process where discussion going on, and hopefully the things will come out in positive way. And as you know, everybody know that there are 3 consecutive commission was constituted. There are, so far I remember, in 1992, 93, the Samatran Commission, Samatran Tripura, is headed by Samatran Tripura. There's a Basa Commission was established, and it was reported they also in favor of Roman. And secondly, Kumargonu Chaudhary, headed by Kumargonu Chaudhary, they have constituted the Basa Commission committee. Then he also in favor of Roman. And lastly, third, the Pavitra Sarkar Commission, who has constituted very recently, also identify. And within their report, we have found around 76%. So far, if I'm not wrong, 76% people are in favor of Roman script. It was reported by the commission. So there are positive way we can explain to the people, and of course, people have given the opinion, and we have to respect, and we have to obey the people sentiment, people justification. Therefore, I think within a very short period of time, we will going to solve these issues. Hopefully, our government is trying our best. Bani bagai ang tini the theme narukmani, because every